Pinangat na Isda is a dish that originated in the Philippines. It is a traditional Filipino recipe that is popular in regions where fish is abundant and commonly used in local cuisine. The dish highlights the use of simple ingredients like fish, tomatoes, onions, and ginger, showcasing the freshness and flavors of Filipino cooking. If you're a fan of Filipino cuisine or looking to explore different flavors, Pinangat na Isda is definitely a dish worth trying. Here are the ingredients. Here are the instructions. 1. Season the fish with salt and pepper. 2. Place the fish and all ingredients in a pot and add the water and vinegar. Make sure the fish is submerged in the liquid. 3. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about an hour, or until the fish is tender and fully cooked. 4. Check the water level occasionally and add more if needed to prevent the fish from drying out. 5. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. 6. Serve hot with rice. Enjoy your Pinangat na Isda.